2026 Mazda EZ-60 is an upcoming mid-size crossover SUV developed by Changan Mazda, a joint venture between Mazda and Changan Automobile. Slated for production in 2026, the EZ-60 will be assembled in Nanjing, Jiangsu, China, and is expected to be available in both pure battery electric vehicle (BEV) and long-range electric vehicle (EREV) configurations. The EZ-60's design is influenced by Mazda's Kodo design language, as demonstrated by the Mazda EREV concept showcased at the 2024 Beijing Auto Show. This design approach emphasizes sleek lines and a dynamic appearance, aiming to convey a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary. Built on the Changan EPA1 platform, the EZ-60 shares its underpinnings with models such as the Mazda EZ-60, Deepal L07, and Deepal S07. The platform supports both BEV and EREV configurations, providing flexibility in powertrain options. In terms of powertrain, the BEV variant of the EZ-60 is expected to feature a 175 kilowatts, 235 GP rear-mounted electric motor, offering rear-wheel drive. The EREV version combines a 1.5-liter JL 473 QJ14 petrol engine, which acts as a generator, with a 160 kilowatts, 215 GP electric motor, which also drives the rear wheels. Battery options for the EZ-60 include a 66.8 kWh ternary lithium battery and MC for the BEV, which provides an estimated range of 520 kilometers, and a larger 79.97 kWh battery offering up to 620 kilometers. The EREV variant comes with a 31.73 kWh battery, which provides an electric range of around 100 miles 160 kilometers before the petrol engine kicks in. Inside, the EZ-60 is expected to offer a modern and high-tech cabin, similar to the EZ-6, which features a 14.6-inch center display powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. This setup integrates controls for air conditioning, seating, and entertainment. Additional amenities may include a 14-speaker Sony sound system, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and advanced driver assistance systems. The EZ-60 is expected to be marketed in Europe as the Mazda CX-6e, although this has not been officially confirmed. This naming strategy is in line with Mazda's approach to branding its electric vehicles across markets. As for the Indonesian market, there has been no official announcement regarding the availability of the EZ-60. However, given Mazda's ongoing collaboration with Changan and the growing interest in electric vehicles in the region, it is possible that the EZ-60 or a similar model will be introduced in the future. Overall, the 2026 Mazda EZ-60 embodies Mazda's continued commitment to electrification and innovation in the SUV segment, offering a blend of performance, efficiency, and modern design.